So what I've been doing lately with these famous painting recreations is doing little tiny ones, not tracing, just hand drawing them the best I can, and trying to complete them in, you know, less than 10 minutes or so. And here's one I did here, still life, Matisse. No, this is Cezanne. This is Cezanne, I think. Yeah, I think it's tulips and apples, and of course this is a Matisse, the cat with red fish. And so I'm going to try to do this Matisse's Geraniums, or Pot of Geraniums, I think is the title of this, and try to do it in these tiny, tiny pieces of paper. You can watch me draw and see how rough it will be, but that's okay. Of room here for that other pot. I'll get it in there. Okay, so here's the bottom of the shelf. There's the ledge. Should have brought everything down a little lower. That's okay. This is the next shelf. Okay, let's add some pots here. Okay, that's just about as good as it's gonna get. So I've got all the paint already mixed up from doing it before. So I think I have enough. Let's start with the leaves. I may need some more. Some lemon yellow. I don't have enough paint mixed up, but that's okay. Let's start with some lemon yellow. I think I've missed a leaf in there somewhere. That's okay. Timing me. Okay, let's work on the flower. Can't get too detailed. This small. Maybe turning the light on would help. No, it's got that ring thing. That doesn't do too well. Drop in some dark here. bird up there. Okay, let's work on this pot down here. Add some sap green, let it mix around. Let's work on the pots up top. That looks pretty brown, but that's okay. That's what we got. I'm going to skip around that pot because it will just blend in with the flower. I'm risking this one. Trying not to touch the green, but I did. That's okay. Where else can I paint? I can paint down here. I can paint across here, I think. Everything is still very wet. I'm not quite sure what else I can add at this moment. I'm going to try to add this pot back here without touching that flower because I'm going to outline it. So I should be able to get rid of, oh, there you go, touch it. Oh, wow. And the color is just almost the same color as the flower, but I'll have to fix that later. And I will. I'm gonna start fixing it now. Drop in some of that alizarin. Make it bright or brighter. Okay, let's get some alizarin there. Get some form to these things. Everything is still so wet. Okay. Looks like this video's been 8 minutes so far. So I'm gonna dry. I'm going to pretend it's dry enough. It's not, but I'm trying to keep this video down to 15 minutes. A completed mini painting in 15 minutes. Don't know if I can do it. Okay, so let's mix whatever I've got here for this part right here. Here. And I've got this really dark for this area up here. This whole area in here needs to be dark. That's going to be difficult because I'm using a pretty big brush, but it's got a good point to it. This is a race against time. Can I get this done in less than 15? I'm at 10 now. Over this again. Touch that dark and it just created its own little shadow. That's okay. It's kind of cool. Okay, let's add a shadow here. Let's just let it create its own little shadow. Give it some dirt. Okay, let's dry this real quick. It's not too terribly dry, but it's not all the way. Okay, I've got some outlining to do. These little leaves. This one. Talk about being loose. You gotta be loose when you're trying to do something in 15 minutes. Okay, let's see. We need some shadow down there. Okay, I've got about a couple of minutes left. So I'm going to do a little bit of lifting. Just a little here and there. Got less than a minute left. Let's see. Let's add some texture in here. Add some in here and here. I don't have time to rinse my brush out. Okay, 14 minutes, 14:43, I am done. It's as good as it can be in this short amount of time. I hope this was fun for you. I hope you do little tiny paintings. They're so cute.